Hey everyone, just figured I'd give you a quick update on the hydroponic system and what else is going on in the Grow Lab these days. Today's Wednesday, February 10th. This is a romaine lettuce and it is just taking off. Really impressed with this. Our little pumpkin jalapeno is finally starting to do its little thing. It's going good. I had to move the crisp head lettuce down to the third row because it was starting to cover itself up and shade itself, and it's doing good. Now, I don't know if this starts forming heads or not, but it looks like it's some of it's getting ready to. The golden acre cabbage is doing really well. It's coming in nicely. Another pumpkin jalapeno, got a little late start on this one. The micro tomatoes doing really well, and even if I zoom in here, get really close, I'm starting to get little flower buds. I didn't expect those quite so soon, but wow. Starting to get those in. The broccoli and the hydroponics is kind of I don't know about going on with that one. Tom Thumb up here doing really well. Kind of happy with that one. Some of you like to look at the root system here. It's looking really well right there, and they're all doing well. Over in the grow tent, this is the broccoli. The same story as a lot of other stuff. That's why I'm kind of iffy on the hydroponic stuff. This one's grown in soil, doing really well. Another, it's a lemon spice jalapeno. A couple of hybrid tomato peppers in there. And then down here, we have a whole nother range of chocolate habaneros, tequila sunrise peppers, jalapenos. The basil, I actually cut some of that and now it's sitting in water hoping that it'll start developing roots. But that's the basil that's going in the garden this coming year when it starts warming up. A little future project going on up here in these little bottles. These will all be our herbs. Oregano, sage, lavender, those will get started here shortly. Lemon balm, peppermint, chives, cumin, you name it. And in our little grow tent we created last week, get that up there. Everything down here is doing really well. Nothing's seed started yet, nothing's come up yet, but again, it has only been a week. So hopefully we'll start seeing something here in about another 6, 7, 14 days. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, there we go. There's the update for now. I do have some open spots now up here in the top, so I'll be starting some more romaine lettuce so I can cycle those through. This is the new addition this week. Taquito peppers. They're doing pretty good in there. Starting to get a set of true leaves going on. So yeah, not too bad for the very first hydroponic system we've ever owned and set up and done. I'm kind of impressed with it. So if you want to keep updated, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, like the video because it helps us out. Stay safe, be blessed, and we'll see you next week.